Hey, this is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today. In this video, I will show you how to make MailChimp email content mobile-friendly or responsive. MailChimp is an all-in-one marketing platform built for small to medium-sized businesses. It has tools like analytics, CRM, reporting, and a content studio, so that business owners can market smarter and grow their business faster. You can sign up for a free account in MailChimp, but we're not going to discuss what MailChimp can do for your business. We're going to discuss one thing. We will fix MailChimp email content to become mobile friendly. So if you have a MailChimp email content that is not mobile friendly, we're going to fix that and get you in the right track. Let's get started. So this is an example of the a mobile-friendly email content from MailChimp. This is our objective. That should be the one that will be received by our subscribers. So I want to show you an email content that is not mobile-friendly in MailChimp. So as you can see here, the logo is you cannot see in the logo in the email. Also the content or the actual email content is not centered. So we're going to fix this. Sign in to your MailChimp account and click edit. That is the automation email that I am doing. Scroll at the bottom and click edit design. Okay. Click the HTML code and we're going to insert the code in here. I will put the code at the description section. Okay. Let's check it out. That is the mobile view. Now good. You can see the logo already centered, the email content centered. Okay.